1800 reviews have got, right? And it's selling for $2.5. Look at this guy has made around $1 million of selling Notion template. So everywhere you look, either on YouTube or X or let's say Facebook, people are talking about how you can make passive income using AI. Like you can build a Faceless YouTube channel, publish an AI book, digital products, and publish it to Etsy, right? And somehow you can make thousands of dollars while you sleep. But here's the question I couldn't stop thinking about: how much of it is actually true? So rather than believing on these YouTube videos and images, etc., I did research myself. I spent all different sources, their revenue numbers, their real case studies. What I found is really changed my mind about AI and passive income. And after that, I built 7 skills for Claude so that you can make money, and I'll teach you in this video how you can do it. So the first category is probably the oldest passive income business on the internet: publishing. But AI has completely changed how people create content. Today, you don't have to be an author to publish books anymore. You can create low content journals, non fiction books, children's books, recipe books, even Notion templates and workbooks. And there are dozens of marketplaces that will sell them for you, like Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Gumroad, Etsy. The opportunity is much more bigger than most people realize. But here's the important part: publishing is not one business, it's actually 10 or 15 different businesses hiding under one category. There's a KDP, low content books. So KDP, you can come over here, you can create an account as Amazon KDP, and you will see like this is kind of screen. So they'll ask you for your bank account, your address, and your tax information, and then you can start creating the new books, right? You can create a Kindle ebook, you can create a paperback, you can create hardcover, or you can create series of pages. You just have to do the content, and rest will be done by Amazon, and you will get paid as royalty. There are people who have actually got paid around $60,000 of royalty a year. Someone got $70,000 royalties a year. There are multiple case studies which I'll put into the description. There is Lulu also, where you can create your book, right? And then you other people can buy it from Lulu, right? There is Payhip, like you can sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more, right? From just Payhip. You just have to figure out a niche, pick that niche, build the content. It could be a book, it could be a series of books, it could be any kind of content, digital content, and you can start publishing to all these sites. Like there is a Payhip, uh, there is BNS Press that you can sell. There is Ingram Spark that you can publish your digital art book and you can sell it. There is Gumroad. Most people made money over here because you can see the list, the all their books, something like these. Like one book, the Ready Set Parent Playbook, costs around 5,000 rupees. Is around you can say $500. You know, you can see TPT, like here there are very basic classroom supply display cards and all those information that you can make easily with Cloud Code and publish over here. There is Draft to Digital site that you can do the publishing. You can also do publishing at Google Play Store if you have done books through the Cloud skill that I have submitted to you. You can do lots of digital content at Notion, right? And you can sell it there. You can use Creative Market, and you can create your design stuff and you can sell it to these people. So content generation is kind of one of the oldest way of making money online. So the second business model is something almost everyone has used without even realizing it. Every time you search Google for, let's say, best laptop for students, or let's say best AI tools, or let's say best software for a particular niche, you are probably reading an affiliate blog. The business is simple: create helpful content, recommend products you genuinely believe in, and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. The challenge isn't writing an article anymore. Like, it's finding the topic people are actually searching for. And it's a gold mine, right? Because whenever someone tries to buy something, they first go to Google and try to search the review for the product. Correct? So that's exactly why I built my second AI tool. A different site where you can host your review sites, right? And the most important part is Amazon Associate. So let's say you buy a product from Amazon, you actually use it, you know the actual review, good or bad, then you try to create a reviews page using the Cloud skill that I give you and try to publish a website on Hostinger or WordPress, correct? And then generate an affiliate commission link from Amazon affiliate program for the same product and publish it on that WordPress website and Hostinger website. Once anyone can come and they click on that link and purchase the product, Amazon pays you the affiliate commission directly to your bank account. And why it happens, why it works? Because the people who already wants to buy a product, they are just verifying it from different sites and website and blogs, that if the product is right for me or not. They have already made a decision. As soon as they like your review, they're gonna buy it from your affiliate link, because most of the people don't understand this affiliate link. So you're gonna make money. Then you see local service directory. You can have card, like this is a single page hosted site that you can do. There is travel payout, correct? You got a travel website, start earning from today. From here you will be connected with different third party products and tools, and you will start getting paid. There is get your guide, so whatever content, travel content you put, you can use this and use affiliate link, and you can start getting paid. You can build multiple blog pages based X for Y, like what is the best product for a certain problem statement, correct? And then you can start building. You can build multiple affiliate coupons, like let's say cj.com, correct? So there are, even if you talk about partner stack, I simply did a partner stack and I made around $70 to $100 for just one link, that is for entire installation, and for those videos that is even non-performing very well, correct? And some of the users who clicked on the link and they just joined N10, and N10 is paying me as a commission. You can see health and fitness blog, you can check recipe blog, all of these sites you can go and check and just connect, create your own account, and then build the content, connect with these sites, and start earning money. This is the second part, that is blogs and SEO affiliates. Now we're going to learn about the third one. So digital products are probably my favorite business model on this list, because you build something once and sell it over and over again. Whenever it's a Notion template, a prompt pack, an online course, a printable, or even a spreadsheet, there is no inventory, no shipping, and almost no cost from the next sale. The difficult part isn't create the product anymore. It's creating something people are actually willing to pay for. That's why I built an AI workflow that'll help you validate, create, and package digital products in minutes instead of days. So let's first talk about the prompt packs. Let's first go to Gumroad. Here, let's try to search for prompts. If you go Gumroad and search for prompts, so you can see all these different templates are available for different users to use them and build the prompts. So here someone is selling Cloud skill pack, and this is 4 for 5 rating is around $350, and this is PM operating system in Cloud Code, and all these getting sold over here at Gumroad. Now let's look at the second one. So this is prompt base. Go to prompt base, and now let's search for t-shirt, okay? And then they are selling these different kind of prompts for $3. Over here they are selling the prompts, I think this is for free. So, but still, you can create prompts and skill using Claude, the skill that I have given you, and you can sell it. You can go to the Etsy, for example. This is the most prominent one. You can go and search for prompts, and let's see what you get. So look at this one. This is like a 1 million AI art prompts bundle, and ultimate mid journey. This is 4.6 rating and 1.1800 reviews have got, right? And it's selling for $2.5. Look at these all different prompts available, yeah. And how people are selling it. About online courses, so you can make online courses on, and you can sell it to Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, and Hotmart all at once. You can also build prompt engineering guides and sell it to Gumroad, that type. So let's see Payhip also. You go here, to the marketplace, and you can see there are lots of different categories available which you can build the content. Amazon KDP we already talked about, correct? You can go to Sellfy and you can build the content and sell it. The online store builders made for creator. And there are Creative Market, there are Lemon Squeezy, there is Whoop, there is Gumroad again. So there are lots of different places where you can build digital content and sell it, and you just have to do it once. Definitely it's gonna require the effort. You have to work hard. Let's say you're gonna spend 2 days a week, but you have to keep on doing it. And for example, look at this Notion guy. This guy has made around $1 million of selling notional template. He made, let's say, thousands of templates and just kept it there, and people come and they buy it for 1 cent or 10 cent or a dollar, $2, but they buy it bulk. They don't have to manage inventory because this is a digital product. It not never gonna get lost. It's definitely going to take your time. It's definitely going to take your time, but 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. If you stay it for 6 months and keep on improving and learning from others how they are selling it, then definitely you're going to make money on these platforms. I'm not saying overnight you're going to be millionaire, but you have to spend time. So there are multiple case studies that I can show you about digital product. Now this is where the passive income becomes a real business. Instead of selling a one-time product, you are building software that people pay for every single month. Whether it's a Micro-SaaS or a Chrome extension or an AI web app or an automation tool, you are solving one problem, and customers subscribe because it keeps saving them time. And the hardest part isn't writing the code anymore, it's finding a problem worth solving. There's That's exactly why I built an AI workflow that validates your idea first and then helps you build and launch them much faster. So most people will say that micro SaaS, AI wrappers, and other things are the market is more saturated, right? But you still have game in Chrome store, correct? For example, I'll show you an example. So I built a simple Chrome extension. I built many on of them. So if you look at this, what it does is go to any site and scroll and get the content. You know, you can build these kind of cool Chrome extension and can sell it to users so that they do their own research from these data that from a different site. Like you can have browser intelligence, like this prompt understand what browser is and send it to cursor, correct? This kind of extension you can build. You can build an extension, let's say, that applies for job for different people. They upload their resume and the extension will apply job for them. So there are and you can charge them, let's say, very minimal amount every month, or let's say one time cost. So that will help you build the kind of business that you need. And this is a part time, as you one time build, you publish it to Chrome Web Store, and you keep on earning money. So like still you can build an end workflow, and you can sell it to their marketplace, like you were doing at Etsy, or let's say Gumroad, or a different platform, correct? Yep. So there are also, you can build WordPress plugin, and that was not possible before because you had to have all the knowledge about WordPress and then build the WordPress plugin. But with the help of Cloud Code, you can easily build that, and you can sell it to WordPress.org or Code Canyon, and then people will buy and they'll keep on paying you. So I think this is really great time to start building something and create a passive money or passive income for a longer period of time. Hope you like it, right? Make sure you keep on subscribing and liking my videos. You can see all of the other videos that I talk about web MCP, loop engineering. I talk about different prompts, etc. Right? So this category is all about creating assets that keep earning long after you have finished building them. Whether it's a print on demand design, or it's a download, or a website template, right? Stock content, or even data sets. You are creating something once and letting marketplace handle the selling and the delivery. The biggest mistake people make is creating assets first and hoping someone buys them. Successful creators do the opposite. They find demand first and then build for it. That's why I build an AI workflow that discovers profitable niches and generate market ready assets and prepare them for publishing across multiple marketplaces. And let me show you how it works. So the final category isn't a new business model, it's a multiplier. Most creators build for just one market and one language. But with AI, you can translate books, website, YouTube videos, and digital products into multiple languages, unlocking entirely new audiences without starting from scratch. Instead of creating more content, you are simply helping more people discover the content you have already built. That's why my final AI workflow takes a single asset and localize it for global markets, and it just few clicks. And when you combine all 7 of these workflows together, something really interesting happens. And the last one, if there is one business model that AI has completely transformed, it's YouTube. Today, a single creator can research a topic, write a script, generate visuals, edit videos, and even create thumbnails using AI. What once took an entire team can now be done with by one person. But here is the mistake most people make. They think AI creates successful videos. It doesn't. Great ideas and storytelling do. AI simply help you create them faster. That's why I built an AI workflow that handles the production. So you can focus on making the video people actually wants to watch, right? And let me show you how it works. So the first one in this category is about faceless review channel. You do the reviews of a product without showing your face and attach Amazon associate that I previously discussed. So you buy a product, actually use it, and try to make a video reviewing it, and then attach a product link, associate Amazon product link inside the description. People click on that link and they'll try to buy it, and you get the commission from Amazon. There is a tutorial link that you get from for different industry. Like let's say that you're trying to tell someone how to fix a car, and you're trying to sell different parts of the car through a partner stack. Like you associate with the partner stack for a different car selling parts company, and then you get paid. There is a, let's say, there is a lots of demand of soothing videos and the sleep audio that people trying to watch, and for hours and hours. Let's say someone wants to try to focus on work and they want to listen to an audio that helps them focus on a work. You can create audio from AI and then help them concentrate, and then you get subscribers, you get watch time, you get paid by Upwork, you get paid by YouTube, and you try to make lots of money, And there is AI tool review. So you go subscribe on AppSumo, you go subscribe on a app First Promoter, and try to make different kind of videos, So these are all list of different YouTube videos that you can do, and then you can make a lot of money. And it's, again, I'm telling you, it's not a short term, it's like long term goal that you have to do. And for all of the different categories that we talk about, how you can make a passive income on different platforms like Etsy, like Gumroad, like YouTube, and different other platforms that we talked about, even Amazon. So these are the different lists of skills that you can install on your Cloud Code, Cloud Core, Cloud Chat, and then you can just use it. Like there is an affiliate blog writer that will help you write a blog for an affiliate. There is a digital product builder that can help you build digital products and write reviews and write blogs for it. There is a faceless YouTube video scripter that will help you create a faceless video on certain topic that you describe for. Like it's all about which industry you have spent years working on. Let's say you have spent working on building cars, or let's say fixing cars, or you're working in the industry, or a warehouse, or let's say for example you are trying to build clothes in the industry. All those can be built as a video and put into YouTube, and you can earn a lot of money, because let's say you have 20 years of experience, 30 years of experience. All those experience you can share with the video, and people will definitely watch it. We talked about like how Amazon KDP can help you build the content, and then Amazon Book Builder as it is here, and then you can use it to build multiple books and content, and for KDP, and there is a Micro-SaaS builder also. So we have to select a single niche, that what exactly people want. There are multiple softwares that are available. They solve one particular problem. There is one software that solves only one problem. Like you put review anywhere, they publish everywhere. Correct? That kind of software other businesses need. PUD design generator, there is a product review writer. All these skills are here, are already in the GitHub. I'll share this GitHub link in the description below. You go download this description inside Cloud Code or Cloud Cowork or Cloud Chat and try to use it. This will help you build everything. Hope you like the content that I make, and make sure like and subscribe. Thank you.